18th birthday, Tara. May your future burn as brightly as the 18 candles that celebrate your life today. So I really appreciate how you handle things simply and deal with it calmly. Tara, you're one of
Basta importante, no drugs. No, pag nagka-drugs ni siya, or inis akong mga anak, ako'y mo patay niya. Ino, wala akong problema na pag-drugs.
Bawal. Bawal.
Mamatay. Birthday. 4 years to come.
Next is Garrett. Okay, once again, kanapan mas. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, wow. Another post ko no, another post requested by the mother. Okay, Dragon, pull!
Mga kabataan karon. So dilita na ngayon yung gusto matuman. Parehapon sa kilikanan, liputan ang gusto nato matuman. So magsugat ta halfway, magmita halfway sa itong mga anak. So dili man pwede yun na nakita ginikanan, kita rin yung masunod.
Let's give her our blessing, okay? Kita. Let's all give her our blessing. Inani ni ha, basta ma 18 or 21 atong anak ha? Ato gining abibahan. Okay, sige. Your own prayer, dali.
Solid yun, solid.
Oh, solid.
Solid.
Uy, di man nakita sa